Are you tired of feeling like your money just disappears every month? Do you ever look at your bank statement and wonder where it all went? You're not alone. The hidden fees, forgotten subscriptions, and bills that just seem to creep up in price are a constant drain on our wallets. But what if there was a way to take back control? That's where Rocket Money comes in. It's a personal finance app designed to help you save money by doing the heavy lifting for you. It all starts with a simple step: connecting your financial accounts. Once you're linked up, Rocket Money gets to work, giving you a crystal clear picture of your spending habits and uncovering opportunities to save. So, how does it actually save you money? It's really about three key things. First, it helps you manage your subscriptions. The app automatically identifies all of your recurring payments, from streaming services to gym memberships you never use. It puts them all in one place, so you can see exactly what you're paying for. But it goes a step further. With a few taps, it can even cancel those unwanted subscriptions for you. Seriously. It'll handle the phone calls and emails, saving you both money and a huge headache. Second, Rocket Money can help you lower your bills. Let's be honest, who has the time to sit on hold with a cable company to haggle over their monthly bill? Rocket Money's team of negotiators does it for you. You just submit a photo of your bill, and they work to get you a better rate. If they succeed, they take a percentage of the savings from that first year, so if they don't save you money, you don't pay a cent. It's a win-win. And finally, it helps you build better financial habits. Rocket Money's budgeting tools make it easy to create a budget that actually works for you. It automatically categorizes your spending, gives you alerts when you're nearing a spending limit, and even helps you put your savings on autopilot. This means you can hit your financial goals without even thinking about it. So whether you're trying to build an emergency fund or save for a down payment, Rocket Money makes it effortless. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.